Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about conversion tracking and how to set it up so that you can actually start attributing conversions, i.e. people that have submitted that form or made that purchase back to an ad, an audience, or a campaign. So initially what you need to do is get what Facebook calls a base code, a Facebook pixel base code, implemented into the header of your website, and then therefore it will be applied to all of the pages in your website. This is going to allow you to not only retarget people that have visited your website, but as well you're going to be able to start tracking conversions, so people that have actually filled out that inquiry form or made a purchase. So to track conversions, you can do it via one of two methods. The first is called standard events. The next is called custom conversions. I'll start with standard events. Standard events, in essence, is a little piece of code that you can get embedded into like a button. So if people click a button, like a submit button, it's going to trigger and tell Facebook that someone's completed that action. So diving in a little deeper, with the standard events, you can actually add various parameters that will enable you to not only track if there's been a conversion, but how much value that conversion actually was. In other words, when people reach the payment confirmation page, if the order total is $285.95, then ultimately you're going to want to communicate that back to the ads manager so that you can start to see not only which ads or audiences or campaigns are generating the most conversions, but certainly you want to know if you have an e-commerce store, which ads, audiences, and campaigns are generating the most profitable return on investment. The alternate method is called a custom conversion, which is where when people reach a particular URL, like yourcompany.com/thank-you, they hit that thank you page, you can actually just copy that URL and then paste it into the custom conversion section. So yeah, two different methods. I'll attach some links that really elaborate much better than I will how to implement each and what they mean. But if you have any questions, as always, feel free to shoot me a message or comment below.